person that we've been talking about these past few weeks? This disciple that we've been talking about.
Someone betraying God.
Okay, who was it? Who was it that betrayed Jesus? He also walked on water. Anybody know the name?
Who? What?
The disciple walked on water.
Peter?
Peter, yes, correct.
Peter Parker.
No, not Peter Parker. So today we're going to still talk. Vamos a hablar más de Pedro. Aitza, please put the paper away and pay attention, please. Hoy vamos a hablar de Pedro otra vez, pero esta vez algo le sucedió a Pedro. Can y'all take a guess what might have happened to Peter? Any guesses just yet? No?
No.
Okay.
Because I'm hungry.
So, a este punto Jesús, he died for our sins, murió por nuestros pecados, y los discípulos estaban enseñando a los otros cristianos de la palabra de Dios, de las buenas noticias, right?
Yeah.
Y de que Jesus y Dios nos ama a lot, right? How much do you think Jesus and God loves us?
More than we can ever do. Yeah.
More than we
and
can
He
imagine.
loves us more.
Then we can imagine.
Okay, yes. So, exactly, exacto. So, Pedro estaba predicando. He was preaching to other people in the city de lo que Dios ha hecho por nosotros y por su sacrificio. Pero a este punto había un rey. There was a king, Herod, rey Herodes. Él no le gustaban los cristianos. So, él arrestaba a los cristianos que hablaban de la palabra de Dios. Él los llevaba a matar. So,
¿No los arrestaba?
yes, he would. Lo arrestaba
Oh, so-
y lo mataba.
No, so they talk bad of Jesus, los arrestaban.
So,
And they talk good from Jesus too?
So it was the people that were Christians and they were talking about what Jesus did. He didn't, basically the Christians. So he didn't want the Christians to preach anymore, so he was trying to arrest them all. Yeah. So,
Hey!
No, okay. So, por eso, con lo que estaba sucediendo con el rey Herodes y los cristianos, Santiago, which was another disciple, él fue arrestado y lo mataron. Y con Pedro, ahora lo arrestaron a él también. They arrested Peter. Oh no.
Oh no.
So, what do you think happened when he was arrested? ¿Qué creen que iba a pasar luego?
Oh, he was gonna stay in jail forever.
Ever?
Yeah, like forever.
Angels
Yeah.
came to save him.
Yeah, angels came to save him, but he couldn't see the angels because the angels was invisible.
Oh, okay. Those are good ideas. Any other thoughts? No? Okay.
No.
So, cuando Pedro fue arrestado,
This is how I do.
el rey no quería que se escapara. They really didn't want him to escape at all. They didn't want him to escape. So, they had 16 guards, 16 soldados, to watch Peter para que no se escapaba. That's a lot of people, right?
Yeah.
What did I miss?
1 and 6. 1 and 6.
What? Yes.
And
Había,
uno 6.
no, it was 16.
They really did not want him to escape.
No querían que él escapaba. So tenían en grupos de 4. So los primeros 4, 2. You guys, please pay attention. I know you all want snacks, so you want your snacks. Please pay attention. So dos de los 4 grupos, there was always 4 taking turns. So dos siempre van a estar in chains with Peter. Why? Because if Peter quería escaparse, los soldados también tenían que ir con él. They were chained up by the wrist. Y los otros 2 están por la puerta. Si por si acaso algo pasa y escapa, así cuando sale de la puerta, they can stop him, right? So así se rotaban ellos, 4 a 4. ¿Ustedes cómo piensan que Pedro se sentía being in jail and in prison like that?
Sad.
Okay, yeah, your thoughts?
Sad and very lonely without his family, and maybe their family doesn't know yet. And bored. And bored. Yes, yes, and without thing.
They didn't have
What?
They didn't have phones back then.
Those are the two, son los dos guardias que estaban puestos al lado de Pedro para que no se escapara. They want to make sure he would never escape. So that's
Well, no. Why do they have a hat?
because these are the soldiers. These are the soldiers of the king.
Oh, and why did they arrest
Because he was talking about Jesus. They didn't want that.
them?
Yeah.
They said it was illegal.
Yeah, so
Also talking about bad of Jesus.
just talking about Jesus.
They don't like the other people that were bad didn't like when the good people talked about good.
Yeah.
Oh, so this, I think I get it now. So I think that when they talk bad from Jesus, they like that?
In a sense. They don't want anyone to talk good of Jesus.
They just don't want to. They don't want him to talk about Jesus because they think he's like crazy or something.
Maybe mean. No, but he's not.
Yeah. So esto es lo que sucedía.
They think it's just a myth,
Yeah.
and they want him to stop talking about it because they think it's
Yeah.
annoying.
So cuando esto sucedía, cuando él se sentía así en la noche, ¿ustedes creen que él estaba nervioso, con miedo? Do you think he was nervous about what might happen?
Yes, very
Okay.
nervous and scared and sad.
Okay. Sí, porque el rey quería matar a Pedro también el siguiente día. So that's one thing that was very important to know. So, Pedro se durmió, but él tenía fe en Dios, que Dios le iba a ayudar, él iba a poder sacarlo de esta situación, aunque sea que parecía imposible. Do you all think it's impossible for him to get out of this situation?
No.
No?
Nothing's impossible besides flying.
Okay. Okay. So, cuando él dormía, yes.
There is something possible to get out. Like, you can just escape if there was like a window in the wall, and then like you can like break it with your hand, and then like
Yeah, but
it's
he's
made out
he's,
of metal.
he's chained
Yeah.
with the
Yeah.
guards. He's chained with the guards.
So that's why it makes it un poco
And
más
it's going to be
difícil.
hard for him getting out because they're going to be heavy.
Yeah, so it'll be un poco difícil. Bueno,
Maybe
cuando
it's
Or maybe when they're sleeping, he can get one of their helmets and knock them out.
could be, but he's still stuck with
Or
them, right?
No, but he can get another helmet and then like use it to cut the chains.
That might take
Like,
a long time.
Or-
too.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
smash
What
it.
if it's so high and he
Can I use the
accidentally
bathroom?
falls and he gets hurt?
Yeah, that's one option.
Can I use the bathroom?
Quickly, okay?
Very quickly.
Y cuando Pedro estaba durmiendo durante la noche, él tenía amigos y otros cristianos y otros discípulos en la casa de María, over at Mary's house, y ellos estaban orando por Pedro. They kept praying. Yes.
I know the story, and then I know what happens next.
Okay, we'll see if they match. Okay. So seguían y oraban a Dios para que pudieran responder a sus oraciones de lo que le estaba sucediendo a Pedro en prisión. Para ver si podían encontrar una manera que él pueda escapar y salir de esta situación para que no lo maten. Right?
Wait, he could die. Wait, how does he die?
The king wanted to kill him. Yeah. So, durante la noche, Pedro vio una luz en medio cuando él dormía. There was a very bright light that hit his face. Y no sabía qué era, you know, when you wake up and you can barely tell what's going on. Y no sabían lo que pasaba. So, le apareció un ángel a Pedro. An angel appeared to Peter.
I knew an angel would come.
Yeah. Y el ángel le dijo, get up quickly, put on your shoes and follow me. So Pedro hizo lo que el ángel le dijo. Le comentó.
How can the guard cannot see the one getting out of?
Because the angel of God was protecting Peter. So he was able to maneuver the situation so they could not tell.
And the angel of God can be. And maybe.
Be careful.
And maybe the angel of God could make him be invisible and then him couldn't see him, or maybe he's sleeping.
Yeah, they made him really, really sleepy, so he wouldn't even feel that Peter escaped. So
Oh,
that's
but
why.
what of his other friends?
The angel was the one who was able to help.
Oh, so the angel took the other friends?
He took Peter out of the chains and was able to do all of that without waking them up.
Yeah, and he take off the chains, and the angel of God he's taking the 3 friends safe somewhere safe.
Yeah. So, and I'll tell you the rest of the story too. So, cuando el ángel le sacó, le ayudó a salir de las, the chains, so he was able to take the chains off, right? Y también pudieron pasar por los otros 2 guardias que estaban enfrente de la prisión. And Pedro no sabía lo que estaba sucediendo. You can go take a seat. Be careful with the cord. Y cuando Pedro estaba por the big gate, because there was a huge iron gate that would stop the prisoners from escaping. Pedro no sabía qué iba a pasar después, pero el ángel pudo abrir esa puerta para que pudiera escapar. Y después Pedro seguía caminando bajo el camino y desapareció el ángel. The angel disappeared. At that point, Pedro sabía que él estaba despierto. So él pensaba que estaba durmiendo y soñando todo este tiempo. He thought he was dreaming. Would you have all believed that this was a dream too?
Yeah.
Oh, no, because I would have pinched myself.
You want to pinch yourself? Okay.
One time I was dreaming of God. Then when I waked up, I saw one of my angels in front of me, and it was my dream. And then it keeps repeating and repeating.
I know.
Standing up, and then I actually waked up when I actually saw a white thing in my face, and I thought it was an angel. It was my brother.
Oh, okay.
With a blanket. With a blanket white.
Okay.
When I know it's a dream and not a dream, because when I'm in a dream, I can see everything. I don't see like if I'm in my body, I can see myself like doing something in my dream. I can't just see like if I was in my body. But if I know I'm not in a dream and I think it is a dream, but I know it's not a dream because I already know.
That's cool. Yeah, and for Peter, para Pedro, it was like one of those things where, like, you know, you wake up and you're kind of like still sleepy, but you still don't know what's going on, but you still go with it, kind of thing. So, así es lo que pasaba con Pedro. Pero cuando Pedro llegó y salió de la puerta y caminó y desapareció el ángel, él decidió ir donde María. You guys, please, calm down. Cuando llegó a la casa de María, you guys, please. Cuando llegó a la casa de María, he knocked. How do you think Peter knocked on the door? He would have knocked like this, right?
He went hard.
FBI, open up.
So, calm down. Yeah. So, cuando llegó a la casa de María, Rhoda is her name.
playing it.
Rhoda, this girl right here, she heard Peter knock. Rhoda, ella tocó y escuchó que alguien tocó la puerta. Ella tenía un poco de miedo porque ella pensó que iba a ser uno de los soldados del rey Herodes. But she went to the door, and what do you think she said?
Oh my god, I think Peter's home! And then no one believed it.
So at first she was like, who is it? Careful. Ella dijo, ¿quién es? Y después Pedro le dijo, soy yo, Pedro. And she could recognize his voice. Ella reconoció su voz. Y le fue a decir a los demás gente
But they didn't
de
believe
Pedro.
her.
Which was kind of funny too because she kind of left Peter at the door. Because ella estaba bien sorprendida de Pedro que dejó a Pedro afuera. So después, Rhoda, she went towards the friends, the other Christians que estaban ahí orando a Dios. Y les dijo que Pedro está a la puerta. He's here. But the other Christians were really surprised. They were like, estás loca. Pedro no puede estar en la puerta. It was mainly because they didn't think that God had believed that God had answered the prayers that quickly. Ellos pensaban que iba a tomar un poco más de tiempo para que Dios respondiera a sus oraciones. Pero después Pedro tocó otra vez. How do you think Peter knocked? He knocked again, and they were all like shocked. Estaban todos sorprendidos porque ahora sí le creían a Rhoda de que Pedro estaba ahí. Y abrieron la puerta y encontraron a Pedro. They found Peter at the door. So they all got at the door. They were so excited. They were huddling and asking questions.
And maybe they said, oh my God, I'll owe you whatever, please.
Yeah, so they were like, what happened to you? Dime lo que pasó. ¿Cómo escapaste? ¿Qué sucedió? ¿Cómo saliste? They were just asking him so many questions. Pedro los calmó y les explicó de cómo un ángel de Dios le vino y ayudó a escapar de la prisión y los guió para salir a salvo. So Pedro sabía he couldn't stay there long because the king wanted to kill him and find him and kill him. Yes.
The guards still have the chains on them, probably.
Yeah, more than likely they do.
Wait, how did he? Oh, right.
Yeah.
He got it.
So Pedro lo que les dijo fue, he told his friends that were at the house, les dijo, que vayan a los otros cristianos y dilen lo que me sucedió. Y después de ahí, Pedro, he left the city. He had to leave because the king would want to find him and kill him. So salió en medio de la noche a otra ciudad. Y el próximo día, cuando el rey Herodes se despertó, he was mad. Would you think he was mad?
Because Peter escaped.
Exactamente. Vio que Pedro se había escapado, and then the soldiers, they couldn't explain why. They didn't know what happened. They didn't see anything. So el rey, he was really angry, and he killed his soldiers.
Oh, maybe he put the soldiers in the jail too. No, he
ended up
killed
killing
them.
Yeah, because they had basically for him that was their job, and if they didn't do it right, then there was no point. But this is one of the important lessons, mainly because Peter was in a situation, estaba en una situación que nosotros pensábamos que era imposible, right? Have we ever been in a situation that we thought was impossible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What situations have y'all been in that seemed like it was very impossible to get out of?
Get out of or accomplish.
Well, when you were in the moment, in the situation, you thought it was impossible to get over, or that you think there was no solution.
I wasn't there, but I was in my mom's story. Look, I was doing this. I was so excited from another place. Like,
I couldn't get out.
Like when you're if you're playing sports and your team is losing and then they have and the other team that you're going against has so many more points and then you think there's no way we can beat these people, but then later you obviously get more points than them and then you win.
So these are all good examples. Estas son todas buenas ejemplos de situaciones que nos pasan. But it is very, very important to always pray to God, right? And to pray to Jesus. Es bien importante orar a Dios porque pues, así es como recibimos nuestras respuestas. We do know that sometimes He tells us no, right? Or He tells us to wait. But that's sometimes mainly because Él sabe que hay algo bueno para nosotros. So kind of to make it a little easier to explain, think of it like your parents, right? So maybe you ask your parents that you want something and they tell you no, right? So I would say in those moments, maybe piensan que a lo mejor ellos tienen algo planeado para mí que es mejor, or they know what might be the consequences, so that's why they tell me no, or to wait.
like sometimes when we used to say we could go to like this restaurant called Alpaca, but my mom would try to find the time of year when we finish classes.
Yeah, because sometimes it could be that they have a surprise for us, right?
But she got the idea.
And I lost it because it went so high and fast.
Yeah, and I would definitely say, piensan en eso, especialmente now, que estamos en las Navidades. I know this is the time we like to ask for things and we want toys and new things. And sometimes they tell us no. Pero a veces es mejor esperar porque quién sabe si ya vamos a recibir algo mejor, right? We might receive something better. So something like this is what this lesson is about.
Like if you want a bike and then you get an Xbox
Something
instead.
like that. So you never know. That's
Or you
why
want
it's
an
important to
Xbox and you
think.
get a bike.
Or PlayStation 5.
So,
PlayStation
cuando
4.
viene de esta historia de lo que
We
le
have a
sucedió a Pedro,
We have a PlayStation 4.
so
You guys have a
es importante,
PlayStation
you guys,
3?
we're
No,
almost done.
Right now we have a PlayStation 4.
Ahí está, we're almost
Yeah.
finishing, y'all. So por eso es importante saber de que Dios hace lo imposible posible, right? He makes the impossible possible. And con la oración, el poder de oración es lo que nos ayuda a poder pasar por estas situaciones.
I'm gonna take that paper
All right.
away.
So keep that in mind, all right, about today's lesson.
Go up and say
And then next week you all will also learn about Peter and one final story of what Peter does, all right?
Bye. Bye.
So yeah, that's the story for today.
Bye.